Hey everyone! Today, we've got an exciting topic that many of you have been requesting: launching your first YouTube ads campaign. This video is your all-in-one guide to YouTube advertising, covering account setup to crafting perfect ads. Let us dive into the world of YouTube ads without delay. Before we launch our YouTube ads campaign, we need to ensure you have a Google AdWords account. If you don't have one yet, head over to ads.google.com. Once you are there, click Start Now to begin the account creation process. Once you have successfully created your AdWords account, you will land on a dashboard that looks like this. The first crucial step is to set up your payment information. Navigate to Tools and Settings and hit Campaign. Now, let us get down to business by creating your first YouTube ads campaign. Click New Campaign. Click on Leads. Campaign objectives are crucial. For example, we are promoting a trail running program with a PDF guide, aiming for leads to encourage signups. Since we are running YouTube ads, choose Video as the campaign type and hit Next to proceed. Time to fill in some basic campaign details. Let us give your campaign a name that makes sense. For instance, I see new leads PH under 30-Ad 1. This indicates it is a campaign targeting new leads in the PH under 35 and it is your first ad. Select the language for your ad and determine your bid strategy. If you are new to this, maximize conversions is a solid choice. Your daily budget may vary, but for this example, let us set it at 700 per day. Set the start date for your campaign. If you are using the leads objective, remember that you will need to include the display network. The default settings for network inclusion are typically fine, so you can leave them as they are. Content exclusions matter. Default settings work for most beginners, but if you are targeting a very specific audience, you might want to narrow it down to control where your ads appear. Advanced settings allow you to fine-tune your campaign. You can schedule when your ad runs and set frequency capping to control how often a person sees your ad. Choose the device types your ad will appear on. For this example, we will go with mobile ad computers. If your product or service caters to a specific device, select accordingly. Now, we move to the group level. Define your target audience like in-market audiences interested in running and sports and fitness, and specify demographics. You have the option to use optimized targeting. If you are considering this, keep it separate from your non-optimized campaigns to evaluate its effectiveness. The crux of your campaign lies in your video ad. Paste the URL of your YouTube video that will serve as your ad. Fill in the display URL and choose a compelling call to action like Learn More or Get PDF. Write a captivating headline, long headline, and description for your ad. This should be engaging and directly related to your campaign's objective. If you have a companion banner, it will be auto-generated. Lastly, give your ad a name and click Create to set up or to set your campaign in motion. Now that you have launched your campaign, keep an eye on its performance in your AdWords dashboard. Make sure you have set up conversion tracking and stay tuned for future videos where we will discuss tips on scaling your campaigns. That is for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to analyze the performance of your YouTube ad campaigns. Thanks for watching, and I would love to see you on our next video.